Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can download effects on CapCut. So to download effects on CapCut, first up open CapCut app on your device. Once you're on the app, click on the add new project option. Now select some pictures you want to add. I have selected some few pictures. Now at the bottom of the screen you can see the effects option. Click on it and in the effects option you have video effects, body effects and photo effects. Here I have selected video effects. You can see some of them are downloaded and some of them are still to be downloaded. Suppose I want to add this. Here you can see the arrow option which is represented as a download. Click on it and the effects will be simply downloaded. So this is how easily you can download effects on CapCut. If you found the video to be helpful, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.